Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo. I'm doing a really quick video today, which is going to be an unboxing from Chanel. It is my birthday month, so I did get a little something special and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you'd like to see what's in my Chanel bag, then watch on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy birthday to me. All month I've been having a great month, and I'm also have a giveaway video that I'll link here. Make sure you check that out so you can partake in the birthday shenanigans. So yeah, so if you're new here, hi, my name is Neo. I am totally into luxury on a budget, but totally into luxury, and I like to do unboxings. I like to do luxury makeup, handbags, shoes, you name it. So if that sounds like the kind of stuff that you're into, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, so you can know when I'm posting a new video. And yeah, I'm also going to start doing a bit more like chatty opinion videos. I call them my Let's Talk Luxury series. It's been a while since I've posted one, but I have more of those coming up because there's a lot happening in the world of luxury and I want to talk about it. Yeah, I do. But let's get to what we're here for today, and it is this. I have a wonderful sales associate at Saks, and she had a picture of this. I'm going to start unboxing. Old school unboxing, just straight to it. She had a picture of this on her photo circle, and I was like, oh, I like that, I'm not sure. And then of course by the time I was done dithering around, it was gone. It was sold, and I was like, just as well, I don't need to be shopping for that. But I left a comment on there, hey, if that comes back in stock, let me know. And I don't even think it was like 2 days later, she was like, it's here. And I was like, damn it. But it's my birthday. So I hope you guys watched my Chanel collection recently, which of course I got this like days after I posted that video, which was so funny. But in that one I make a comment about how nobody's buying brooches anymore, how we all are done with Chanel brooches. And then of course this comes into my life. I hope you see that clearly. I think the best thing about that is how three-dimensional it is, and I don't know if you guys can capture that. I don't know if the camera is capturing that, but it is amazing, and it's layered. Isn't that gorgeous? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is gorgeous. I believe it's current season because it's 21S, and here is the information if you want someone to try find that for you. And yeah, so I think I also like the fact that this one is gold because my only other one is silver. And now I have gold. And they're both very blingy. And I think I'm done now with the brooches. So yeah, quick video. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Run, try to get your hands on it because I believe they still are available and totally stunning. Thanks guys. I'm gonna end this video the way I end all my videos. Very simple. Choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right choice for you. Choose happiness. That's what I'm choosing. Oh, let me show you guys this. This is from my sister. It's needlepoint, and she made it herself, and it says live happy. Because she watches my channel and she knows I'm all about choosing happiness, and she's just the best. This was the absolutely best birthday present she could have sent me, and I'm so ecstatic. And yeah, live happy, choose happy, make the right choice for you. Bye guys. Thanks so much for checking out AhhhSoNeo. All right, bye.